around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
Thank you. We just came from the Anglican Synod here, and as the ambassador said, we'll greet you people. We'll come back for campaign. We'll be ready. So just wait for us to come back for campaign.
The 2027 presidential candidate of the Nigeria Democratic Congress, NDC, Peter Obi, has donated 10 million naira to the Catholic Maternity Hospital, Moniaya, in Ogoja local government area of Cross River State, describing the decades-old facility as a vital lifeline for mothers and newborns. Speaking during his visit to the hospital on Saturday, Obi said the facility, despite operating with limited resources, remains one of the few maternity hospitals serving the Ogoja area and continues to provide essential healthcare to thousands of women and newborns. Obi expressed concern over Nigeria's persistently high maternal and infant mortality rates, saying many of the deaths are preventable with better investment in healthcare infrastructure and medical services. He also noted that the hospital operates a tuberculosis and leprosy center, providing critical healthcare services that have become increasingly scarce in many parts of the country. The former Anambra State Governor said his 10 million naira donation was a modest contribution to support the hospital's work and pledged his continued partnership with the institution. Obi called on governments at all levels, the private sector, and well-meaning Nigerians to support healthcare and educational institutions run by faith-based and voluntary organizations, stressing that investing in healthcare and education is an investment in Nigeria's future.
I thank you for what you're doing, because maternal and infant mortality in Nigeria has been a problem, and that is the foundation of our primary health care, that will care for pregnant mothers, care for the children and everything. Coming here today, and especially being joined by CWO, I thank you, because we want to be not just, this is not politics, I'm a partner to schools and hospitals across Nigeria, because it's important that we care for our people. It's important that we care for our children and they go to school. So today I thank you, and I want to start that support by presenting this is my first time of coming. I'm presenting, which of course is to the diocese and the bishop, and who will apply it as expected, presenting a check of 10 million naira.
From around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.